get bounced.
Hi guys, so if you can't tell, my room is a big mess, and quite frankly, I'm getting a little tired of it. I'm someone who very easily gets really messy. I'm not a clean person at all. I wish I was, but you know, that's just not the type of person I am. Usually the more messier the room is, the more it reflects my mental health, and lately I've been feeling a little overwhelmed. And so my room has also been feeling a little overwhelmed. The worse my room gets, the worse it makes me feel, so I'm going to be cleaning it today. And I wanted to make a little video out of it because if this can motivate someone else to clean their room, I think that'll be so worth it. I have a small room, but I have a lot of stuff. I have a lot of hobbies and things I like to do. That just equals more potential for messiness. Exhibit A, we have the river of clothes flowing through my closet. You know, I don't quite know how it got this bad. Like literally, like I think I black out whenever I like throw stuff on my floor. But yeah, I'll be doing a closet clean out, I guess. And then over here we have my bed, which is in desperate need of a washing. Like my sheets, I really need to wash them. Yeah, all my stuffed animals are on the floor. Everything's all crazy and yeah. And then exhibit C, we have my desk area, which is usually where I just finished like a crafting project, so it's even worse. And there's glitter everywhere and stuff everywhere, and I just really need to clean it. And then exhibit D, F, I forget which one I'm on, is just my whole entire floor of untidiness. Yeah, you can barely see my floor anymore, and so I keep stepping on things and I keep breaking them, and it's so annoying. So past the point where I need to clean it. The ultimate goal for today is to get my room clean enough to where I can have like a self-care day. I want this room looking like Disney on Ice. Can't let anyone know I live here. But yeah, I want to be able to light a candle. You can't light a candle when your room is messy. I feel like that's just like ethically wrong. I want to be able to light a candle, and I want to be able to do a face mask and feel awesome and awesome. So yeah, first thing I'm gonna do is put on some tunes and we're gonna get cracking. Let's go. Let's start cleaning. Cleaning time. Let's start cleaning. This is the scary part for me because right now it is kind of looking worse than what I started with, but I know I just kind of have to trust the process, I guess. closet clean out is officially done, and that was pretty much like the bulk of cleaning up my room, so I'm glad I got that out of the way. I managed to donate a full bag of clothing, and I plan on selling some other clothes eventually on Depop, so I think it was a pretty good amount of decluttering I did. And now I move on to my bed. And my bed sheets and everything are in the dryer right now, so once they're done, I'm gonna make my bed, and it's gonna be awesome. guys, I did it. I cleaned my room. Everybody go, yay! I cleaned my room. It literally took me 6 hours to clean my room, but I'm just glad I got it over and done with. I'm changing to my jammies and I'm just gonna have a little self-care night. But yeah, I literally feel so much better. I feel like I can breathe now, and I feel like I can accomplish the world. I feel like I can literally like take over the world right now. Whoa. This is like a jelly. I didn't know it was gonna be like a jelly. I'm so confused. Which is the face mask? There's two. There's two in here. What the heck? What the heck is this? I can't see anything. What do I do? I can't see anything. What the heck? Okay, so my sister says you have to peel the eyes off, which to me is stupid. I feel like that's a waste of product, but yeah, here you go. Look, this is a waste of product right here. Why couldn't they have just cut out the eye holes themselves? I've never seen a face mask like this. It's like 2 parts. Bruh. I look like something. I don't know what I look like, but I look like something. Bogart, look at me. I'm different. Look, he's staring at me. What happened to me, Bogart? I don't know. Oh.
Bogart, attack! Attack!
He doesn't care anymore.
Attack!
Paisley, what do you think? Just gonna lick it off my face. Well, that's pretty much the end of today's video. I think it was fun. I had fun cleaning my room. As long as there's music playing, I can clean any type of room. Put me in any room and there's music and I'll clean it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me clean my room. You should probably clean your room too right now, because it's probably a mess and you probably need to clean it. But yeah. What is going on with this face mask? Oh, I look so scary. I'm like genuinely scared of myself right now. Like, I'm looking in the viewfinder and I look like some type of evil monster from like a scary movie. What the heck is this? Well, yeah, please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.